Hey guys, pretty bad day. I'm down like 450 and I think I need to figure out what I'm doing incorrectly. So I'm replaying the day. I did change the settings on the absorption back to where they were. So I'm in, what is going on? Am I not in playback? Where is my playback button? Send this to the back. Okay, there it is. So I did change the settings, and that might be one of the reasons why, but I don't think it's the only reason why. Today was just very explosive, and it was difficult to. I think in the beginning I was doing okay, but the problem again is that with the minis, I got frustrated. So I'm down 450 because I switched to MNQ. I was frustrated again with the micros, because I was getting trades. And so here the market's just going crazy this morning. Crazy up and then bam, crazy down. So I was getting frustrated with like just breaking even on 10 ticks instead of actually having a profit. So I think I went a little bit too large on the MNQ. Got tilted a couple of times. And this didn't trade well. Traded a little bit too lax, like this was a combine. I think that's one of the really big issues is today. And so really the question is what I'm going to do going forward. Because I am down 450, basically about $500 from... So it's a $2,500 drawdown on the PA, and I'm down 500 on it, which is not good because I was up about 160 with the micros. Yeah, I don't know what I want to do. I think part of it. So I want to. So this was what I was using for the micros, 10, 20, 20, 20, and with the minis and the micros. But yeah, it didn't. I think I had some good trades in the beginning, and then the market was just really choppy. Not choppy, but like choppy is good. It was just very explosive in one direction, very trendy. And I don't think I really traded it that well, if that makes sense. Right here, like I should have just realized when it was so difficult to get, to even see the numbers, that it's just going to be way too volatile.
Order filled.
It was just be way too volatile for my trading, if that makes sense.
Stop filled.
Well, that before, because I need to. And I think the other thing is that my sizing is just way too... I don't know if I should trade tomorrow. I might trade with just one. So I don't think I can do the micros. It's just very frustrating to see, like, you hit a target. Also had a couple like target issues too. It would hit the target and then it wouldn't get me out, but it would change the stop. It wouldn't change the stop on my... It was just some weird thing that was going on. Here, let me try to see if I can do... So this changes back. And I tightened up the absorption parameters, so that's a little bit... So it's 100 instead of 50. So here, I'll definitely be looking for a short to basically look for exhaustion in the market. Let's see if I do this correctly. So I changed the depth back to what it was before. So everything's back to what it was before. But really, at some point, I just, it was just bad trade after bad trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was way too late. Why would I don't know why would I even...
Stop filled.
Yeah, that's really late. for something like that. What exactly was this? You know, 1 second. I want to see exactly what this was. 259. Yeah, as you can see, the absorption was not even close at that point. And then you have something like this too, which is like,
Order filled. Stop filled.
yeah, it's just really difficult today. I don't know. It's that one is maybe a little bit too far. I don't know if I should tighten up my stop or if I should just, just play it out a little bit more. Yeah, so let's just go through the rest of the day because I'm actually really curious about how I how I traded so badly today. So this one obviously did not work. This one, why would I highlight it if it actually didn't become an imbalance? Or sorry, yeah, imbalance here. So if I do one contract on MNQ, I think the target would be $100 a day. I think what I'll also do is start a combine too, and trade that either this week or because I'm not seeing kind of really off. Like Friday was kind of off, and then today I'm definitely really off, or the system is very off. Okay, I must actually speed this up at 2x, but nothing faster than 2x because I want to go through the rest of the day. So that red thing right there is basically supposed to be active selling. Okay. Yeah, so this is the big rally that we had, this 100-point rally that we had this morning. Yeah, that's a lot of active selling there too. Yeah, I mean, I gotta figure out what I want to do tomorrow. That's also, I went over my stop loss for the day was 300 by extra trade. Again, that was just really bad. I just traded badly and also didn't follow my rules today as well. So overall, just very bad trading. I think part of that was just like maybe I was just a little bit too, a little too arrogant about the market. Because I had some really good days last week. So here, since it's so strong like that, you would kind of be looking for a long. Starting to look for absorption.
Order filled.
Yeah, this one was an actual win for me. It would actually mix it back up there. Again, I had it a little bit earlier because of the settings that I had. But this one should be a win, I think. Could be wrong.
Target filled.
And I also was cutting some trades off a little bit early too. I think that was kind of the problem as well. So now okay, so there's news that, okay, there was just news. It wasn't that big. So now you'll kind of look for a short. So
Order filled.
let's see if there's a short. See, now it goes.
Target filled.
Okay, that one I kind of messed up because I remember this trade. I actually cut it off early because it passed the absorption level. But it actually came back. So this is when the tilt started. It actually came back to, pass it. I think tomorrow what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade only one NQ and look for basically 2 wins or $100. So 10 ticks each, and the stop loss would be basically 2 losing trades, which is unfortunately $200. If that happens, then I'm just gonna have to stop with the PA and just trade a combine instead, or just trade my live account instead. Because obviously at that point I am definitely off. Something's definitely going wrong. I'm either too anxious in the market, or I'm just not right. Something's wrong with the system. So okay, we'll keep going. Also, I was slightly distracted by my options portfolio too. Bonds are taking a hit. I'm taking a hit right away on these bonds, which is crazy. So yeah. But anyway, it is what it is. Okay, let me pay attention to this. So here, I think the right move would be to look for a short instead of a long. Let it go back towards its highs and then see if it can I was also adjusting trying to adjust because I had this on focus before. I was adjusting the chart to try to see where the absorptions were or the numbers, and I think that was distracting me too because the market was moving so fast. I should really just use my controller or use my keyboard and just control where it is. Okay.
Order filled.
So there, I don't know if that's even a good trade.
Stop filled.
There, I should have probably just waited. Okay, that was a bad trade there. Because again, I'm just reacting and not understanding where. I should have waited for the market to go back down to the swing low here instead of taking that. Yeah, but okay, I'm just gonna stop it here. So that's tomorrow. I'm gonna think about it today. I'm gonna play the scenario a couple of different times, and I should so I changed the settings. I should have tested it a little bit more. I don't think I changed it that substantially. That's the problem. I should have tested it a little bit more than going live on it right away. Tomorrow I might go live, or I might just do a combine, depending on the testing results today. So when I do tomorrow, I definitely won't do 2 contracts. That's like way too high. But I'll do something like maybe like I have 1 contract, 10 profit, and then 15 stop loss or 20 stop loss, depending. All right, talk to you guys later.